What is up, guys? Back at it again with another video, and today we're over at the Bowl O Drome. Now, this Bowl O Drome here is the worst rated bowling alley in my area. It's rated 2.1 stars, and we're going to take a look and see what... Alright, this door isn't working. As soon as you walk in, you're hit with the smell of hot piss. Oh, I just tripped on that. There's definitely some chipped ceramic tiles here and there. The steps are a little creaky. Big cobweb there, and you're greeted with a little bit of graffiti there. That's okay. There's definitely a little bit of water damage, more graffiti, a little bit of mold on these steps. That top step is being held by a plank of wood, and the ceiling tiles up there are definitely falling apart a bit. You are greeted at the top of the steps by this large door that says it's guarded by an alarm, and empty seating. Now the bowling alley is supposed to be open today, but all the lights are shut off. The claw machine's working, so that's a good thing. Once again, more of the ceiling tiles are falling apart over here. This drink machine is definitely broken. This one seems to be functional, but there's that. There's a ATM machine here that has a weird plastic thing covering the card holder, so probably a good spot to get your card cloned. They have free pool. It is missing a couple balls. The attendant here let me know, but they do have functional slot machines, so I'm gonna put a couple bucks in and see how I make out. This is the pool table. It's definitely showing its age, such as the furniture here. And I won 80 bucks. So I'm just gonna walk out of here real quick. You can still buy some socks. I should have checked the date on the chips, but I wasn't hungry, so I wasn't gonna buy any anyways. As soon as you walk to the washroom, it does smell a little off. That's because the urinal here is overflowing with urine into a just black garbage bag. There I am. What's up, guys? See, I'm not going to use this washroom, so I'm going to walk away. More tiles are just casually falling onto the bowling lanes at this point. And if you need to charge your phone, or if you need cash, apparently this is the spot to go. If you need to charge your phone, there is an electrical outlet right here next to the water fountain that's leaking a little bit onto this electrical. Maybe a fire hazard. I was going to alert the attendant, but they don't really seem to care very much. The claw machine is stacked. I feel like if I did play that's not rigged whatsoever, and I could probably win something. There's actually nobody here. So, there you have it. My local bowling alley. It's not anything special. It's got good vibes. It smells like cigarettes, even though there is a sign over there that says cigarette smoking in here is punishable up to $500. Catch you guys in the next one. There you have it, guys, my local Bowl O Drome. Although you probably can't bowl there anymore, and it's a little rundown, I'd say. You can still make a little bit of money. So for that, I give the Bowl O Drome 2 stars. Thanks for watching.